So Arnelle, can you explain a little bit about the DP?
Okay, the DP program is the diploma program. It's part of one of 3 IB programs. There we have at our school a PYP program, primary years, MYP middle years program, and the diploma program. The DP program is a 2-year rigorous course of study that students can engage in the last 2 years of their secondary school program. Students are required to take 6 courses and then also complete 3 additional core components of the IB/DP program. After that, then they are able to sit for exams at the end of their 2nd year, and that is how they are awarded an IB diploma.
Okay, all right. So what makes the DP different from other curricula?
The DP program is very rigorous in the challenges that students have to face to actually complete the program. Students also have to engage in the 3 core components, because the IB philosophy is to educate not just the student academically, but also to educate them to be world citizens eventually. And part of the 3 components that students have to complete are Tok course, which is a theory of knowledge class, where students are required to question the nature of knowledge and ask the big question of how do we know what we know. In addition, students are also required to complete KIS hours, which are creativity, action, and service hours. At the completion of those hours, they can reflect on the activities that they've engaged in. They also write a 4,000-word extended essay, and that is an independent research paper that students are working on with advisors from school, but they're basically doing the work independently. Something that they can take with them to the university, and as they'll be writing similar types of papers at the university level as well.
Okay, so how does it prepare them for university?
Students, the courses in the DP program are challenging enough that when students have completed the full program, they are more comfortable when they arrive at the university taking university level courses. It gives them a certain level of confidence when they transition from secondary school to university to feel that they can be successful at the university level.
Okay. Within universities themselves, what is their acceptance of the IB diploma?
The IB diploma is widely recognized by international universities. Universities understand that once students have completed this rigorous program, that they are more likely to transition better when they actually arrive at university, and that the odds of them being successful at university are greatly increased because they've already been challenged to such a great extent at the secondary level.
So typically, which universities and which countries do KIS graduates go to?
KIS graduates attend universities in the UK, the US, Canada, and Asia. Students that have successfully completed the program have a higher probability of getting into their first choice universities because they have completed such a rigorous program.
In what ways is KIS seen as being a strong IB school?
I think because we are one of the few schools that offer all 3 programs, the PYP, the MYP, and the DP program. When parents enroll their children at KIS, they automatically become a part of the IB community. They are also exposed to the IB philosophy regardless of what grade level that they enter. Teachers in all 3 programs strive very hard to make sure that students have the tools that they need to be successful in their respective programs. In addition, our students that sit for IB exams are consistently successful in attaining the grades that they need to enter the universities of their first choice. And I think that reflects on the quality of our education, that students are doing so well in a consistent manner. I do know that universities are very open to and very accepting of the diploma program because of the fact that it is such a well-rounded program. It is not just academically focused. It has the element of service. It has the element of action, of creativity and KIS. It has the requirement that students are writing this extended essay. It has the requirement that students are thinking on a different plane when they're questioning the knowledge that they're acquiring in a Tok class. So I know that universities are very accepting of the IB Diploma program students because they are aware of the challenges that students have to overcome in order to actually achieve an IB diploma.
And also with an IB, because IB is recognized internationally, if someone moves from one location to another because of their job, maybe they're expats, that means they can move into a school and just continue the same curriculum that they were maybe in Singapore as Thailand or whatever.
Yes, they can.
Just move around. It's far easier to
Yes,
adapt.
they can. You can transfer your IB program to a different IB diploma school if you have moved, as long as that school has a similar program that you can actually just transition to with very little disruption to your program. So that is another aspect of the program that is very successful, because parents know that if they are relocated or if they choose to move to a different country, their children will not have to start a completely new program. They can actually transition, finish the program, and still obtain their IB diploma.
Thank you very much, Arnelle.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure.